Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all in same page on ongoing civil justice sign off is all for Pope Francis the Lucifer, the Satan, the Antichrist created, tax mandate, COVID 19 domestic partners marriage population, and it is a deadliest crime to enforce polygamy to the civilians, to destroy the human brain nerve cells with fatal negligence. So, civil justice must be served without any delay. So, basic birthrights level all destroyed, all civilians are destroyed, and all basic self-esteem has been stripped off from all the civilians worldwide, no matter what, and it is the harshest reality, and nobody left out in Pope Francis 666 Mark of the Beast scandal. Yes, I am going to get civil justice for total domestic partners marriage population enforced to live with emotional torture, and because Pope Francis is Satan is proved, and Queen Elizabeth II is Satan is proved, and faces of Pope Francis are Satan's is proved, and all nations must should never have any criminal justice is also proved, and error of department justice is also proved. So divorce process for polygamy marriage population must be should be annulled. Dissolution of invalid disqualified marriage for Pope Francis only created polygamy marriage worldwide, and for always forever biological moms only must get the sole child custody in divorce process as in Holy Bible guidelines, and President Joe Biden must resign immediate for fatal negligence, and I Vedapriya become Supreme Chief Vatican leader, and I Vedapriya become Supreme Civil Chief Family Law Judge for all nations, and I Vedapriya should become the Supreme Chief Judge for all nations to lead any of the justice services. For I displayed the $1 trillion errors of wrongful hell mandate. Pope Francis created hell divorce process, and I Vedapriya can bail out Department of Children and Families later when I become medical director for all nations. So prosecution, crucifixion enforced to humans in different versions. Can you all see how innocent civilians enforced to look at fault mode when innocent, and Pope Francis created hell always looked to made to look godly, holy, and holy highness republica, God of USA, and why nations, populations without any awareness only worships deadliest antichrist as God, and it is a $1 trillion scandal. Yes, I am the mouthpiece for entire polygamy marriage population who are slaughtered and butchered by Antichrist Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist the Lucifer, and I sure will get civil justice count by count to all polygamy marriage population. Either Pope Francis should say no, or what is polygamy marriage, or Pope Francis should say don't know who are polygamy marriage population in earth. Either ways, we won the case of ongoing civil justice for $500,000 trillion finance compensation to be paid to each civilian times total population. So can you all understand how emotional level, feelings level, Pope Francis, absolute monarchs, Queen of England, Elizabeth II, just destroyed anything of humanity worldwide, all for fanatic love of crown alone, and also to mandate tax. So absolute monarchs do not have any birthright to enforce any type of or any avatars of polygamy marriage worldwide to destroy the brain nerves to be damaged for fellow mankind, and there is no other crime that is deadliest category than to enforce polygamy marriage to fellow mankind and stripping of birthrights of civilians, and to enforce and mandate male human operating system and female human operating system to be enforced to be malfunctioned by Vatican code of abuse law, scandal mandate, tax mandate, and pain inflicted on polygamy marriage population worldwide by enforcement, and that is absolutely wrong. So, how precious lives of civilians destroyed without awareness in disease life cycle? Always disease creators is at fault and never innocent. So, for destroyed holy marriage law and destroyed human lives by destroying human brain nerve cells mode, it is absolute monarchs, Satan's must pay $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans. So High Vedapriya proved Vatican Jesuits leader Pope Francis is Satan, Antichrist, mandated polygamy to destroy the fellow mankind. It's all for tax mandate, COVID 19 666, mark of the beast process model. So Pope Francis must resign now, and I become Vatican leader now. Is a civil justice served? I should only lead the enterprise software design architect solutions for entire software world. So you all got correct education. How President Joe Biden will resign in one next 1 second is because Queen Elizabeth II is Antichrist and proved, and Pope Francis is Antichrist is also proved. And entire Democrat government will just faint and pass out just by being aware why USA is handcuffed mode. And I also want to convey I Vedapriya eradicated COVID-19 plague as of January 25th of 2021, and it can help me when USA government pays me tax-free $1 billion using direct deposit, can help me to take care of my basic essentials, and I'm in absolute need of finance. I'm in finance crisis. So please USA government, please help me in a timely manner. Then Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer created tax mandate COVID-19 type polygamy marriage mandated, and Pope Francis must get out of the earth now, only in volcano in Hawaii. So civil justice as of January 2021 today, according to Holy Bible guidelines, is Pope Francis must should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever, and Pope Francis must resign now, and President Joe Biden must resign now, and I, Vedapriya, become Vatican leader now with a salary of tax-free to $50,000 per annum with benefits. And I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge and Supreme Chief Civil Family Law Judge across the globe for all nations now. Then I, Vedapriya, become Global Poverty Relief Medical Chief Director for all nations to lead Medical Services Center for Disease Control, World Health Organization. Then I, Vedapriya, Native Indian tribe, true Israelite Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, is the true owner of USA, and USA is Tamil Nadu. And Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name. And USA government must should pay me tax-free $1 billion for I eradicated COVID-19 plague fastest than any robo and saved entire human kingdom as a multitasking, and proved absolute monarchs destroyed national operations, and proved Pope Francis is Antichrist, the hell creator, must never live in the earth. So whatever in Holy Bible is only happening now. So civil justice wins always is wisdom. I am that I am born to save the world, and I hope you all are happiest with the self justice signed off for all the Pope Francis the Satan the health creator created marriage adverse marriage types. So not even one marriage type that is available today as of today in any nation is valid. That is why by default, if the population, regardless of toxic marriage or abusive marriage or whatever, if they are going to seek for divorce, it should be annulled, meaning disqualified marriage, so annulled and always forever. According to the Holy Bible guidelines, always biological moms have the highest impasse, so biological moms should get the sole custody of children. Okay, thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye.